Alright guys, welcome back. We're going to work on the head of Robi. What we're going to do is we're going to grab this small piece with the hole facing downwards and put it into the hole there. It does not seem to snap or anything like that, but then we're going to work on the other part here, which is the back of the head, and there's two little things poking out that you just push this into. Then we grab this for the front of the head, and then we can push it in like so. Moving forward, what we have is the eyes of the cute little robot, and they just go in here like so, and I'm hoping that I'm not wrong, because if I am wrong, this won't be so fun. There we go. It does go in as I said, and in the next video we will go on to more parts of the head. Thanks for watching.